Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Murcielago and this is by Tomica and this comes under their premium edition. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. They launched actually this year, I think, yeah, 2024, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So they launched the first edition kind of thing. So I think this is the first edition if I'm not wrong. And the scale is 1:62. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Just cut somewhere, I don't know where. So Murcielago was the very first car I really fell in love with, and I started having, interest in cars. And it was in a game, Asphalt Urban GT, the original Asphalt Urban GT, the very first game. So this was the last car which you actually unlock in that game. I mean, one of the coolest car you can say. Okay, it's upside down. Okay, fine. I'm really happy to see this by Tomica. Let's put this box aside for a minute. Okay, here is the casting. Okay, the initial impressions of this casting, it looks good. Like as usual, this one also has, okay, there is a dot here. I don't know if it is supposed to resemble a radio or it is a paint bubble. I'm really not sure. But the casting looks really beautiful. It is not too heavy. I mean, it's a bit light. I'm really happy they actually went with some kind of acrylics for the headlights, which gives a really beautiful character to this car. Absolutely gorgeous car. And the rims looks really awesome. And it is unique to this particular Murcielago. And the tail lights, well, I'm really happy now. They actually went with some kind of acrylics for the tail lights as well. They did some justice to this car. Okay. So, the chassis is actually plastic. The body is fully metal. And they have some exhaust details here. There is some good interior detailing to it as well. So it is really sad to see that there are no openable parts. But I'm really happy that, they did this casting in a really beautiful way. And rest everything, they included all the details here, which is really nice. If I'm not wrong, Lamborghini used to have their name on. Yeah, it is there. It is there. I hope you guys can see it here. It says Lamborghini. That is really awesome. So the logo placement is really nice. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Okay, I don't see any suspension on this one. Okay, it doesn't have any suspension. Maybe it is too low to the ground. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. Especially the rear wheel wobbles a lot. Front wheel also wobbles a lot, but I mean, I really don't mind because again, I'm not going to play with Tomica specifically because these are, like work of art. You need to keep it in a box like this, in a display case like this, and you need to just showcase it like this. So anyway, I'm not going to keep it here anywhere because it will collect a lot of dust. I'm really having a hard time managing all this 40 cars which I'm having in front of me. So this one is going back in the box and into a bigger box so that I can keep it safe. Just time to time I'll just open it and see how this one looks. So if you guys are wondering, if you are a Lamborghini fan or in general any supercar or hypercar fan or any exotics fan, and if you're thinking about buying this specific casting, just go ahead and buy it. This looks absolutely beautiful and it is perfect in every way. I don't see any negative points here. So one thing, they could have just added some, scissor doors here like they did it with the Diablo. So with the Diablo, they did both scissor doors and pop-up headlights. And with the Countach 25th anniversary edition, they did, openable trunk. So they could have did any one thing, but it's okay. It's fine. This looks really beautiful. I'm happy with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.